10 Best Tonneau Covers for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Undercover Elite One-Piece Tonneau Ram 1500 2019 2024. Ready to elevate your Ram 1500 2019 2024 5 feet 7 inches bed, excludes multifunction tailgate? The Undercover Elite One-Piece Tonneau is your ultimate solution. Crafted in the USA, its patented X-Effect infrastructure and UV-protected ABS composite ensure unmatched strength and durability, shielding your cargo from any weather. This isn't just a cover, it's a vault. The integrated locking mechanism keeps your gear safe and secure, giving you total peace of mind. You'll appreciate the new, easy-to-use handle, designed to seamlessly match your truck style. Plus, a double seal system ensures rain, sleet, or snow stay out. Purchase with confidence knowing it's backed by a 3-year structural guarantee and US-based support. Enhance your truck's security and style today. Number 9. Undercover Elite One-Piece Ram 1500 Tonneau 2009 to 2022. Elevate your 2009 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic Short Bed with the Undercover Elite One-Piece Tonneau, meticulously engineered for a perfect fit. This isn't just a cover, it's a fortress for your cargo. Our integrated locking mechanism instantly transforms your truck bed into a secure vault, ensuring everything stays safe. Crafted with patented X-Effect infrastructure and UV-protected ABS composite, the Elite offers unmatched strength and durability, shrugging off rain, sleet, and snow with its double seal system. You'll love the new, truck-matching handle. It's a breeze to operate. Proudly made in the USA with a 3-year structural guarantee, the Elite provides peace of mind and unmatched protection for your investment. Experience the undercover difference. Number 8. Undercover Elite Ram 1500 Tonneau Cover, 2009 to 2023. Elevate your Ram 1500's utility and style with the Undercover Elite Tonneau Cover, specifically engineered for 2009 to 2023 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed. This isn't just a cover, it's an intelligent upgrade. Experience peace of mind knowing your gear is safe, thanks to the integrated locking mechanism that transforms your truck bed into a secure vault. Its patented X-Effect infrastructure and UV-protected ABS composite construction, paired with a robust double seal system, ensure unmatched durability and protection from rain, sleet, or snow. The sleek, integrated handle provides seamless access and perfectly complements your truck's aesthetics. Proudly made in the USA with globally sourced materials and backed by a 3-year structural guarantee, the Elite delivers confidence and lasting performance. Number 7. Undercover SE One-Piece Tonneau for Ram 1500. Upgrade your Ram 1500 with the Undercover SE One-Piece Tonneau, meticulously engineered for 2009 to 2022 models with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. Experience effortless security thanks to the single, low-profile twist lock, which simultaneously latches both sides of your bed, keeping valuables safe and hidden. This isn't just a cover, it's robust protection, featuring a patented X-Effect infrastructure and a UV-protected, scratch-resistant ABS composite. Its sleek, textured black finish, modern style lines, and integrated rear spoiler enhance your truck's aesthetic, while full perimeter seals ensure complete weather protection. Lightweight at just 58 pounds for easy installation, and backed by a 3-year guarantee with US-based support, the Undercover SE delivers both confidence and superior performance. Number 6. Undercover SE One-Piece Ram Truck Bed Cover. Elevate your Ram's utility and style with the Undercover SE One-Piece Truck Bed Cover. Designed for 2009 to 2023 Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2020 2500/3500 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, it offers a perfect fit and instant upgrade. Enjoy effortless security from a single, low-profile twist lock, engaging dual latches to keep your gear safe and hidden. Crafted in the USA with patented X-Effect infrastructure and durable, UV-protected ABS composite, this 58 pounds cover is built to last. Its sleek, textured black finish, subtle style lines, and rear spoiler enhance your truck's appearance. Full perimeter seals ensure your cargo stays dry in any weather. Purchase with confidence, backed by a 3-year guarantee. Number 5. Ram Truck Bed Stake Pocket Covers. Optimize your Ram's truck bed with our precision-engineered stake pocket covers, exclusively designed for 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500/2500 models. Instantly transform your stake pockets from open holes to a sealed, protective barrier. Installation is incredibly swift, just a few taps, and they're securely in place within seconds. Crafted from durable, thickened ABS material, these covers resist abrasion and corrosion, built to endure any challenge. They fit perfectly, sealing out dust, leaves, rainwater, and snow, ensuring your truck bed remains pristine. Plus, with a snug, gap-free fit and a bonus non-slip mat, they stay put, preventing bounces and enhancing your Ram's clean, finished look. Number 4. Undercover Elite LX Bright White Ram 1500 Truck Bed Cover. Elevate your Ram 1500 style and functionality with the Undercover Elite LX Bright White Truck Bed Cover. Designed specifically for 2009 to 2022 Ram 1500 STD quad mega cabs with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, this isn't just a cover, it's a seamless extension of your truck. You'll love the perfect factory match, thanks to our Exalta waterborne paint ensuring a flawless PW7 bright white finish. Open it effortlessly with the integrated, streamlined handle that blends seamlessly, feeling like original equipment. Inside, a premium carpet headliner protects your cargo and adds a sophisticated, finished touch. Proudly made in the USA, the Elite LX delivers unmatched quality and a truly refined experience for your truck. Number 3. Undercover SE Tonneau. 19 to 24 Ram 1500 5 feet 7 inches bed, standard tailgate. Elevate your 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 5 feet 7 inches bed, standard tailgate, with the Undercover SE Tonneau. This USA-made cover combines sleek style with unmatched utility. Its low-profile design features a modern textured black finish and integrated spoiler, enhancing your truck's aesthetics. Security and convenience are paramount. A single, center-mounted twist lock instantly secures both sides, keeping valuables hidden. Crafted from UV-protected, scratch-resistant ABS composite with patented X-Effect infrastructure, it's incredibly strong and durable. Full perimeter seals protect your cargo from all weather. Lightweight at 58 pounds for easy installation, and backed by a 3-year guarantee and US-based support. The SE is the smart choice for Ram owners seeking style, security, and weather protection. Number 2. Extang Solid Fold ALX Hard Folding Ram 8-Foot Tonneau. Ready to elevate your Ram's capabilities? The Extang Solid Fold ALX Hard Folding Tonneau is the smart choice for your 2009 to 2024 Dodge Ram 8-foot bed. Crafted in the USA, this isn't just a cover, it's a robust companion. Its automotive-grade polymer panels offer lightweight, extreme durability, shrugging off UV rays and heavy impacts while protecting your cargo. Forget complicated installations. The Solid Fold ALX arrives fully assembled, ensuring a quick, stress-free setup that immediately unlocks your truck's full potential. Our new over-engineered latch system provides swift, effortless access to your bed, all while guaranteeing enhanced security and that invaluable peace of mind you deserve. Experience the ultimate blend of durability, dependability, and convenience. Number 1. Undercover Tonneau. 2019 Ram 1500 5.8 feet. Got a 2019 Ram 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed? The Undercover Tonneau is precisely what you need. We know you want to protect your gear, but never at the expense of your truck's versatility. That's why this tonneau truly shines. It allows for full access to your entire bed whenever you need it. No more struggling or partial use. With clever, built-in prop rods, you can securely open and hold the cover up, leaving your hands free and your cargo area completely clear. Plus, we've included all the necessary plastic buckles and straps for quick, secure operation. Enjoy peace of mind and maximum utility, all in one smart design for your Ram. So, that sums up my 10 best tonneau covers for Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.